The Clarke C4IN1WB is a workbench featuring 4 work modes, any of which may be selected within seconds of unpacking it. The C4IN1WB can be configured as a bench, work platform, creeper, or a dolly. With a load rating of 150 kilograms, this impressive product is perfect for meeting many needs. It features an impressive and robust construction, which features handy alignment guides marked on the reversible work surface. The C4IN1WB also features a stainless steel hammering strip and a useful tool tray to ensure that you always have what you need to hand. Its working height as a bench is 805mm, with a surface area of 990 by 540mm. Whether on site or working on a project at home, the work platform configuration provides a level, stable surface to work from and has a height of 565mm. In creeper mode, used with the tool tray, you can be sure that the exact tool you need is never far from hand when working under a vehicle. Finally, the dolly setup means that moving heavy items across site to where they are needed is a task made simple. With a built-in towing eye, you can load the dolly up, hook up a line, and pull heavy goods across the site with ease. There's a lot to like about this workbench. The subframe is a lattice of powder-coated steel angle iron, which enhances its strength and keeps it flat. The locking hinges for the legs are substantial and well designed. It folds up simply, making it easy to store when not in use. The Clarke C4IN1WB 4-in-1 workbench, dolly, creeper, workstation and work platform. Complete with a built-in tool tray for sorting and storing tools and equipment, it's probably the workbench you've always been looking for.